sunset from this place or from this height is just magical. You can visit this place. Look at the mount there, Mount Kilimanjaro.
I like what I'm seeing.
If you can remember my name, well and good. If you cannot, call me Jipos. Yeah. Jipos is one interesting software. First of all, locally built in Kenya, locally supported by Kenyans, and widely used in Kenya. And now we're finding our footprints across the Africa. Latest client being from West Africa, that is Ghana. Yeah, so we are glad that Amboseli Safari Club is joining the Jipos tribe. We'll be able to show you how the system can be able to help you align your SOPs. Yeah. Where there is no structure, it can still help you to align your structure. But where there is an existing structure, now it falls into that structure.
I'm going to show you everything so that we know how the system works. If I just come here and search for the item name, it will just get me that. Good evening or good afternoon. First session, done. Things covered, sales. Second, part of inventory. Students are bright and they are fast learners. So they are all experienced. And when you are dealing with an experienced team, the training becomes interesting. Right now we're headed to the second session. We're just taking a short minutes break, and when you get back, we are going to handle the rest of the inventory, the requisition, movement by cost, stock take, and reconciliation, and procurement. Cannot get done without that.
So after selecting the category, you must check this checkbox, then add instance.
The ambience, you can see that for yourself. I don't even have to mention it. It's all here. We count it all done for the second session. Yeah, so we're just breaking off for the day. Awaiting tomorrow. And tomorrow we are summarizing this with HR components and of course the accommodation. The automation that Jipos was done for this particular industry, that makes me happy.
We've covered a lot of modules. Jipos makes me happy, man. So Jipos makes me happy. As a support officer, I think it has been my year also for growth, because I have met a lot of people, interacted with a lot of people.
Guys, this is done. Done and dusted. What's the password?
It is Jipos, my friend.